Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we will be checking out the top 5 best drones you can buy in 2023. I have made this list based on buyers' suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I've also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Ever since the invention of drones, they've been serving various purposes for all kinds of professions. Whether it be for aerial surveillance, oil, gas, mineral exploration, motion picture making, or just simply for recreation. Whatever you need for drones, we will help you choose the best drones you can get in 2023. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to stay updated on information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Ruko F11 GIM2 drone. While Ruko is fairly new to the drone sector, it has done a remarkable job in putting out some models that are user-friendly for recreational pilots. But this one is also perfect for people who are absolutely new to using drones. Even if you have never held a drone in your life before, you can navigate your way around this one pretty easily. Thanks to some fancy specs like 4K resolution and 2 different types of stabilizing systems that operate smoothly in up to 3 kilometers of range, the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone offers a quality user experience while still being a budget-friendly option. With the Wi-Fi range going as far as 3 kilometers, you likely will not come across any connection issues with this one. Thanks to its video resolution of 3840 by 2160, the Ruko F11 GIM2 allows for smooth footage that has little to no distortion. The drone also features GPS, so you will not need to worry about whether you have lost it or not. However, your machine needs at least 3 bars of signal for the GPS to work properly, so if you are looking to get a smooth experience, we would recommend using your gear in areas with less trees and buildings. A smartphone isn't necessary to operate this beginner-friendly gadget. However, if you would like to know the exact battery level or constantly be on top of the metrics and footage, then you might want to keep your phone with you. The controller is just as upgraded as the drone itself. There is now a USB-C port instead of the traditional one you saw in the Ruko F11 GIM. This is a welcome change for most users. The display has also changed and has a sleeker, more improved look. For example, you can now see the battery level first thing. This allows you to know approximately how much flight time you have on your hands. You can fly your drone as high as 9,800 feet, but when you first receive it, it will be set to beginner mode and you will only be allowed to fly it up to 98.5 feet. This can later be changed in settings if you want to go higher. Overall, the Ruko F11 GIM2 is a safe drone with easy access. As long as you use it carefully, it can last you for years thanks to its improved durability. In other words, you really can't go wrong with this purchase. Bwine GPS 75 mins. Best known for its high-quality products and customer service, Bwine is a company dedicated to producing drones for both beginners and advanced users. And the Bwine GPS 75 mins is no different. It comes with 4K resolution, just like the Ruko F11 GIM2. Its 3-axis gimbal helps stabilize the tilting, the panning, and the rolling, so no matter where you move your drone, be it up, down, or sideways, your video stays in quality, regardless of how shaky you are. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can easily capture objects and subjects that are on the move. Since the drone works on 5 GHz, you can better signal and shoot in remote areas without a problem. It also provides you with faster speed over a shorter range. However, it still has a Wi-Fi range of 3 kilometers and only flies as high up as 9,800 feet. Yet, it manages to fly smoothly even during windy weather, so long as the gusts don't exceed 10 kilometers per hour. This is thanks to the high-tech L6 wind resistance that the device comes with. Thanks to this handy piece of stabilizer, You can hover seamlessly even on gloomy days. Since this drone is designed to supply both beginner and professional needs, it also comes with a first-person view. Also known as FPV, this feature allows you to participate in races if you want to. Finally, this drone gets extra points for foldability because it provides users with the option to easily bring their drones wherever they go. All in all, this is a perfect drone if you are looking to get your feet wet both with leisurely drone flying and competitive drone flying. Drone X Pro Limitless 4. Drone X is the UK's largest commercial drone provider. Therefore, their products always have a professional side to them. This next one comes with the regular 4K resolution that we saw in the previous drones, but its other specs are a definite game changer for more professional users. While beginners could start to navigate their way around the capabilities of the Drone X Pro Limitless 4, it will likely be easier for people who have had their fair share of experience in flying drones. This is because the specs of this drone are a bit more advanced than others. Starting off with its battery capacity of 5,000 mAh, this drone is bound to last you for a few long flight sessions. Whether you are practicing for a race or in the middle of one, this drone is not going to die on you. Its obstacle avoidance, follow me, and return home features also make it easier for professionals to focus on flight time rather than how their drone is faring. The return home feature, specifically, comes with a variety of functions. It records your starting location by default, so your device starts mapping out its flight even before you take off. When you decide it's time for your drone to return home, you can call it back with the press of a button. But also, it can recognize that the battery is too low to keep on flying and return home on its own. The same thing happens when you start to lose signal. However, we can guarantee that it will be a rare occasion. Thanks to features like 5G signal, you can get some great footage regardless of how mountainous or remote your location is. You can even capture it greatly and in real time thanks to the live video feature. In addition to its 3-axis gimbal, which we have touched upon earlier, the Drone X Pro Limitless 4 also comes with a function called Super Stabilization. But such strong stabilization can only be improved by a longer Wi-Fi range. Unlike its competitors, the Drone X Pro Limitless 4 has a range of nearly 5 kilometers, which is more than 50% more. Overall, this drone is best suited for users who have been in the game for quite a while, because the specs can get too much to handle for beginners. However, if you are looking for something that will improve your performance as a professional drone operator, especially during competitions, then this drone is one of the best options that you will come across. DJI FPV Combo. Everyone who is fairly interested in drones has likely heard of the name DJI. The company is known for its top-tier quality drones, but the FPV Combo is a step above the rest because it redefines flying, thanks to its fancy functions and specs. Unlike the Drone X Pro Limitless 4, the DJI FPV Combo is great both for beginner and advanced level drone operators. Thanks to 3 different intuitive flying modes, you can fly your drone with utmost confidence even from your first day of having it. Moreover, the DJI FPV Combo rocks an immersive and intuitive aerial platform. It's stronger than ever with a longer battery life and wind resistance, which means that you can have a long and seamless experience with getting used to your new piece of gear. From front LEDs that change color and allow you to customize your flight, to propeller LEDs that make nighttime flying easier on the eye, this drone comes with every possible illumination option that you need for a seamless piloting experience. This compact device allows you to maneuver your drone with some all-natural hand gestures. The 150 degrees field of view combined with the rock-steady distortion corrector gives you a brand new way of getting powerful footage, especially with its ability to capture moments in 4K 60 FPS. Thanks to its fancy 𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬 3.0 function, the DJI FPV Combo allows you to capture your footage in absolute clarity within 10 kilometers of altitude. Therefore, you can get footage like never before and stun everyone you know. DJI Mavic 3. After mentioning the DJI quality, we just couldn't pass up on mentioning the Mavic 3. This is a powerful flagship for its line. The DJI Mavic 3 comes fully equipped in comparison to its predecessor, the Mavic 2. This drone rocks a dual camera that captures higher quality content at both 5.1K 50 FPS and in 4K 120 FPS. And that's just for the primary optic. The second camera helps you zoom in by 28 times, giving you all the crisp details possible. Since the DJI Mavic 3 can reach an altitude of 6 kilometers, which is the highest altitude range on our list, that zoom-in option is going to come in quite handy. This drone comes with a transmission range of 15 kilometers thanks to its extended range due to the O3 system. Therefore, it lets you explore new horizons without hesitation. Worried about your drone dying mid-adventure? Don't be. Thanks to a flight time of 46 minutes, this drone is almost unbeatable. You can even use the Cine flight mode to limit your maximum speed for photogrammetric scanning at both high and medium altitudes. The DJI Mavic 3 also supports fisheye vision sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors that help avoid obstacles during flights. This includes anything that is above, below, behind, and in front of your drone, making it safer for you to document your surroundings. So if you have been looking for a drone to help you record your ventures with maximum quality, this affordable and yet powerful option may be the way to go for you. And that would be all for today's top 5 best drones you can buy in 2023. For more mind-blowing videos of technology gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel. Like and share with friends, and we will see you in the next video.